PJ Riders. Here come the PJ Riders. It's the PJ Riders. The PJ Riders. Catboys, Catstripe King unites the powers of speed and pouncing might. The nighttime baddies are out of sight. When Catstripe King strikes, you better watch out, watch out. It's the PJ Riders and they're back in town. We've got that animal power now.
Robo Whisper, activate!
By the power of flight. By the power of a lizard's might. Here come the PJ Riders. Here come the PJ Riders. It's the PJ Riders. Owlets, eagle, owl, fly. Swoops in at the nick of time, using the power of her flight to do what's right. Here come the PJ Riders. Here come the PJ Riders. It's the PJ Riders. Gecko's powered lizard stumbles and it's okay. He's got the tail swipe that keeps the baddies away. He's got the muscle, the might. It's PJ Masks. Heroes unite. Here come the PJ Riders. Here come
This is Whisper's robotic form.
It's the PJ Riders. PJ Riders.
And Whisper has taken his goal on being the best yokai butler to another level.
Here come the PJ Riders. Here come the PJ Riders. It's the PJ Riders. The PJ Riders. Catboys, Catstripe King unites the powers of speed and pouncing might. The nighttime baddies are out of sight. When Catstripe King strikes, you better watch out, watch out. It's the PJ Riders and they're back in town.
Here's his robotic yokai ghost tail.
Come on, we've got this. By the power of speed. By the power of flight. By the power of a lizard's might. Here come the PJ Riders. Here come the PJ Riders. It's the PJ Riders. Owlets, eagle, owl, fly. Swoops in. Here come the PJ Riders.
One last thing to install, and that's his blaster cannon.
It's the PJ Riders.
It's also it also functions as a scientific
Unites the powers of speed and pouncing might. The nighttime baddies are out of sight. When Catstripe King strikes,
astro glass.
watch out. It's the PJ Riders and they're
You know, one of those devices that they use to
We've got that animal power.
track down extraterrestrials from outer space, like the Eo Sapiens. I like
By
them.
the power of speed. By the power of flight. Oh, let's eagle, owl, fly, swoops in at the nick of time, using the power of her flight to do what's right. Here come the PJ Riders. Here come the PJ Riders. It's the PJ
There he is.
Riders.
That is how you draw Robo Whisper.
Power lizard stumbles and it's okay. He's got the tail swipe that keeps the
Artificially
away.
incredible.
He's got the muscle.
I give it an A+. Compared to the other robots, this one's my favorite.
Heroes unite.
Anyhow, that's how you draw Robo Whisper. That's all for now, folks. Stegosaurus, see you later. Farewell and good night.